This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for December 15th, 2022. It's currently November 4th, 2022, 6:45 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior, we have a period of rotation along a key support level on a multi-day chart, key support level, a period of rotation that ends with a fast sudden move to the upside. We do have the unicursal hexagram correlating to the high position here. So whatever high we do have, we should see a pretty strong decline off of it. What we'll do is we'll sell down to and through a support level. And then we'll do a U-shaped reversal below that support level, come back and reuse it as support. That'll be the behavior around the high. And a notable drop off of the high. It looks like behavior out of the low. We successfully turned resistance into new support, but it's nullified, meaning that whatever resistance we turn into new support, it's not going to hold. All right, so in the pre-market, we have moved higher even in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds. Possible that we open higher. Actually, it's possible based on this ruin. I sense possibly opening higher, or we start rallying early in the pre-market, and the rally continues into the open. Notably, there's a notable move higher early in the open, but it's an opportunity to open up a short position, it looks like, and then we do some sideways rotation with a fast sudden move higher, marking the end of that sideways rotation there in the first half hour is correlated to the night of discs. That fast sudden move higher is then met by a drop through multiple support levels. This is a strong drop here. The ruin card combined with the tower card and also this horse. There's a really big move to the downside that transpires here, guys. So be careful with that move higher. That's an opportunity to short. And then it looks like we have a crest midday. I don't necessarily see it being a high per se. There's a little bit of like a crest here midday, and then a fake out between roughly 11 and 12-ish, or after that, when we move higher through a resistance level on a one-day chart, we stay above it briefly, and then we do a full retracement of that move back down below that price level. That'll be a signal that the next bit of behavior to transpire is the devil card. It'll be a fake out, and we'll see sideways rotation increasing with sideways rotation over like the 1 to 3 o'clock hour, increasing with bearish momentum as we move forward into the end of the day. There's multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance in the last hour, and a lot of price ground covered, or price change covered. How do I say that? A lot of ground is covered price change wise around 3 o'clock ish, or at least starting around 3 o'clock ish. We have a low there midday, then those failed attempts to break, or excuse me, a low there towards the end of the day, but then we have failed attempt to break through key resistance, and then another sharp drop right around the close to meet another low, possibly a lower low. But again, we see a notable drop off of the highs for the day. Sneak preview. Oh, and then we break down in the post market through a support level that we had recently broken down through before. Sneak preview for the following day. Multiple headwinds pushing the S&P 500 lower. And that's the S&P 500 for December 15th, 2022. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. Most importantly, make sure when you make that money from this reading, you pay a little bit of that money forward, like 5% forward. Somebody who doesn't expect it, that needs it. If you can get it to them without them even knowing where it came from, all the better for a good deed, my friends. And that will spread throughout the universe over and over again. So you'll be doing more than just what you realize. And then 5% back to the channel, my friends. Keep the channel moving forward. We work really, really hard for this stuff, guys. It is not easy to extrapolate this information. It takes a ton of time and a whole team. So much appreciated for all of you that continue to support us. And then make sure whatever you spend that money out of, you spend it out of love. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions. I'll see you on the next one.